Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm fitting the Evotech Radiator guard up into my CBR650R. So I've actually had this radiator guard for quite some time, but just had no really time to fit it as we've been doing that Tiger Sport, but we've got no parts for it this weekend. So yeah, if you want to have a look at this project bike that we're rebuilding, click on the channel and take a look. There's a few videos over there. We got it from the Copart auctions, a category N, so we're just kind of getting it all fixed up and back on the road. So yeah, back to this. This is my CBR650R and I've owned it for nearly about a year now. I've not done too much with it. We did put the Evotech frame sliders on, the RNG weighted bar ends on, and as you can see there is a full titanium Akrapovic exhaust system. Of course there's no baffle in that. Guys, this thing, obviously inline 4, full titanium, just absolutely screams. So there's definitely going to be lots of videos of this coming up in the summer. So don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for that. So yeah, let's go ahead and start taking off our fairings. All little clips, so you just need to pull them out. There's about 6 of these on the inside, if not a bit more, so you have to make sure they're all out. And then now hopefully she'll come off. There we go. Okay then, let's get this fairing removed. Perfect. So the next thing you'll get is you'll get these little rubber grommet sort of things in there that just are little spacers. So there is actually holes on the radiator guard, so there's like little circles there. So what you want to do, just flip it over and push them through. And you literally just want to go ahead and do that until they're all on. Perfect, and they're all in. That's that one done. And then with your brackets, you need to go ahead and put these little rubber sticky pads on. So then you have 3 on each one. Perfect. That's them done. And then your last remaining 4 little rubber squares go on the side of the radiator here. So let's give that a good clean. So then you're going to put one on the top and one on the bottom. And repeat that as well for the other side. Okay, so now we can actually go ahead and put the guard in. And all you're going to want to do is get the bracket as well. Hook the bracket round. And then you can hook the radiator guard in as well. And we just put our screws in then. And then now we've got to go around and do the other side. So there we go, that's the Evotech Radiator guard fitted, and it is a really good quality material. You know, it's not just flimsy and cheap, it's not going to break, and it provides really good airflow as well. So that's going to keep a lot of the dirt out of the radiator, so it's not going to become blocked, and it's also going to stop a lot of stone damage as well. So yeah, really happy with that. And it looks really good as well with the Evotech frame sliders as well, so I'm really happy with that. So now it's time to get the side fairing back on again. That's probably the hardest bit, is just getting it all back in, clipped in nicely. I mean, yeah, it's really pretty simple to fit. So yeah, it's a thumbs up from me. So there we go, guys. That's how you fit the radiator guard on the CBR650R. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give us a like, drop us a comment, always read them. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, because there's going to be plenty of content with the CBR650R coming up. And also getting this built. The parts should be here very soon to crack on and almost get this done, because I would definitely want to have this out by spring, ready for the summer to make a few subtle upgrades to it. So yeah, Don't forget to subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one.